Did you know your blood type secretly influences your life expectancy? Some groups have heroic protection, while others face hidden vulnerabilities. Let's discover which one you are. Let's start with Group O, the champion of cardiovascular protection. Whether you're O positive or O negative, you possess a major asset. People with blood type O naturally present lower levels of clotting factors, which means your blood has less tendency to form those dangerous clots that obstruct arteries. In simple terms, your heart and brain benefit from a built-in defense from birth. This biological advantage offers individuals with blood type O considerable longevity potential. Historically, carriers of blood type O also demonstrated better resistance against certain deadly infectious diseases like malaria. However, every strength hides a weakness. For blood type O, the main vulnerability is located at the stomach level. A bacterium named Helicobacter pylori adheres more easily to the gastric wall of people with blood type O, thus increasing the risks of ulcers and gastritis. Moreover, individuals with blood type O tend to develop more severe reactions to infections like cholera or norovirus. Finally, since blood type O blood coagulates more slowly, these people can suffer more significant bleeding during accidents or major traumas. Individuals with blood type O generally display the greatest longevity potential, mainly because their cardiac and vascular system ages more slowly. But this advantage depends heavily on good intestinal health. Your stomach represents your Achilles heel, while your heart constitutes your superpower. Let's move now to blood type AB, the modern hybrid with a hidden price. Blood type AB is the rarest and most recent of blood types. This group formed when populations A and B mixed only a few thousand years ago. People with blood type AB possess a particularly calm and tolerant immune system, allowing your organism to maintain remarkable balance. You also present a lower risk of certain stomach and digestive system cancers. Nevertheless, blood type AB carries one of the most significant biological trade-offs. Major studies reveal that people with blood type AB present the highest risk of dementia and cognitive decline during old age. Scientists think this could be linked to unique clotting patterns, inflammation around brain blood vessels, and an immune system so tolerant that it reacts less vigorously to damage in the brain. Consequently, AB individuals must protect their brain even more than their heart. Your immune system is peaceful, your brain needs more assistance, and your lifestyle plays a huge role in building your future health. Third group, Type A, the survivor in permanent alert state. Blood type A evolved during the emergence of agriculture, dense communities, and new pathological patterns. People with blood type A develop a strong antibody response, which helped ancient villagers survive viral infections transmitted by close human contact. But the trade-off is significant. People with blood type A have stickier platelets, which means your blood is more prone to clotting, increasing the risks of heart attacks and strokes. This is a main reason why individuals with blood type A tend to have lower cardiovascular life expectancy compared to blood type O. Another challenge concerns stress. People with blood type A often produce a higher baseline level of cortisol, the main stress hormone. In the modern world, chronic stress from work deadlines, traffic, financial pressures, and constant notifications can significantly accelerate aging for blood type A. Thus, the message is clear. Individuals with blood type A can absolutely live long and healthy lives, but only if stress and cardiovascular health are actively managed. Your immune system is powerful, your emotions need support, and your heart demands constant care. Fourth group, Type B, the metabolic specialist. Blood type B spread with ancient nomadic populations who lived in constant movement, adapting to harsh climates and unpredictable food sources. This nomadic heritage shaped your immune system into something flexible and balanced, almost like a Swiss Army knife. Some studies show that individuals with blood type B have better resistance to specific bacterial threats. On the metabolic level, people with blood type B also demonstrate strong adaptability. Their metabolism learned to process a wide variety of foods, but this flexibility comes with two notable weaknesses. First, individuals with blood type B present a higher risk of autoimmune diseases. Second, modern processed foods affect people with blood type B more harshly because their ancient metabolism wasn't built for fast food or highly processed snacks. Individuals with blood type B often experience robust and healthy middle years with good resilience. But late-life longevity relies heavily on inflammation management. Your immune system is both your superpower and your weakness. The way you manage inflammation will determine the duration and comfort of your aging. Fifth point, the rhesus factor and the complete picture of longevity. Now that we've explored the four main blood types, there remains one element that silently influences your health: the rhesus factor. Whether you're rhesus positive or negative doesn't change what you feel daily, but it modifies how your body reacts in certain medical situations. If you're rhesus positive, you might have a slightly elevated risk of certain cancers, but you're also better protected against certain infections. If you're rhesus negative, some studies show you might regulate inflammation differently, which could impact your aging process. And because rhesus negative is extremely rare, individuals carrying this trait often receive additional medical attention, indirectly creating a small longevity advantage today. So, what does the overall longevity landscape look like? Based on current scientific models, we can create a general ranking of lifespan potential for the four blood types. At the top, we have blood type O, displaying the strongest overall lifespan potential thanks to their naturally lower clotting capacity. Next comes blood type B, benefiting from strong immunity and good metabolic flexibility. In third position is blood type A, enjoying strong immune traits early in life, but carrying higher cortisol levels and increased cardiac risk. And finally, we have blood type AB, whose unique immune tolerance and clotting patterns can increase vulnerability to cognitive decline with age. But here's the most important truth you'll hear today. Your blood type is not your destiny. It's not a sentence, and it's not a prediction carved in stone. It's simply a blueprint, a starting point, a genetic clue about your strengths and weaknesses. You can't change your blood type, but you can absolutely change the way it impacts your longevity. Genetics loads the weapon. Your habits pull the trigger. When you understand your body, you no longer react passively to the future. You influence it, you shape it, and you extend it. Sixth point, the truth about lifestyle and nature's exceptions. Many have shared testimonies like, "I'm blood type O, but I still have heart disease," or "My blood type AB, family members all live very long and healthy." This proves a fundamental truth. Genetics is only the starting line, not the final destination. Scientific studies emphasize that diet, exercise, and stress management play a much more significant role than your blood type. A healthy lifestyle can completely rewrite the biological script inherited from your parents. So, don't let these statistics worry you. Use them as a map to navigate better, not as a means to limit yourself. Seventh point, ultra-rare blood types and unrevealed mysteries. Some have mentioned bizarre blood types like golden blood, Rh null, or Bombay blood type. Rh null is extremely rare, called golden blood because fewer than 50 people in the world possess it, granting them the ability to save anyone, but putting the carrier at great risk when they need a transfusion. Bombay blood type completely lacks the H antigen, which means they can't receive blood from any O, AB, or AB group. The existence of these blood types reminds us that human biological diversity is infinite and filled with fascinating surprises. Each drop of blood carries a distinct and precious evolutionary story. Eighth point, the deep connection with autoimmune diseases and intestinal health. Beyond H. pylori, Problems like Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, and other autoimmune conditions significantly affect quality of life. Those with blood types B and O often share digestive sensitivities to gluten and modern processed foods. Your gut microbiome could be the forgotten key to decoding overall health. If you frequently feel tired or experience digestive problems, experimenting with a diet adapted to your biological constitution could produce astonishing changes. Remember, chronic inflammation rooted in the gut can be the silent enemy, stealing your lifespan faster than any other genetic factor. Ninth point, the science of statistics versus belief and fate. It must be clarified that the information presented is based on large-scale population studies, epidemiology, which seeks repetitive patterns, not prophecies for individuals. Science doesn't deny faith. Understanding cardiovascular or cancer risks isn't intended to instill fear, but to give you better control over your own health. Whether you believe in science, fate, or a higher power taking care of your body, the only temple you have is always the right and necessary action. Now that you know the advantages, disadvantages, and longevity predictions for your blood type, what is your group, and which trait surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments because your blood carries more than oxygen. It carries your history, your risks, your strengths, and your potential for a long, strong, and healthy life. If you want to discover more incredible things that others are too afraid to address, press that subscribe button now. And if you're already subscribed, then welcome home.